Hello all and welcome to another episode of Trade of the Week. Okay, so this week, for me personally, it's been GBP USD. Okay, very nice, clean trades. We've been following this for some time now, but this week I thought, let me focus on getting this entry and seeing if we can actually reach our points of interest. So as you can see here, print screened on the 7th. Okay, so was looking to simply just take this to our points of interest. We have several above. So you can see right here, just looking at this H1 play, and it played out quite nicely. So there's a print screen I took on Friday, I believe, just before the market closed or when it closed. So yeah, this was a very, very nice trade. Market close, we're still very close to hitting our point of interest, the first one anyway, and then seeing if we could go right above still. Okay, so for me personally, this was the trade of the week for me, just because obviously GBP USD pip count is very nice, and when you just see it play out quite effortlessly, it is quite nice. Okay, so for me personally, this was my personal trade of the week, but the one that looks better and was better has been EUR USD for a long time. So I remember just before I went on holiday, I was looking at the potential setup. Okay, just looking to take it right the way up and down. Okay, we didn't get this dip that I was expecting, but we did get this push up into this area. Okay, as you can see, we didn't get that dip, but we got that push up into the area. I was still looking at this area, and then we was getting very close to it, and then we still didn't reach it. So we had to adapt from there and start selling off earlier than expected. When we started selling off earlier than expected, we still had the same point of interest. Okay, just not from the initial point that we wanted to sell off from, but we know why that is now. So we started selling off earlier. So you can see the point of interest we had over there. And then, as you can see, nicely hit it. That was nice through there. Okay, so yeah, now we're rallying back up. We've caught some buys from here and here this week as well. So we're just seeing how that now plays. Let me actually go to my chart. Okay, AUD/USD, that's potential setup. Okay, so where's your USD here? Okay, so again, here our point of interest very nicely through there, and then we started buying up. Okay, and then this week as well, so another potential trade of the week could be this one. We only wanted 50 pips from it potentially. Okay, but it's rallying up to our point of interest as kind of expected. Okay, so another point of interest hit nicely, takes out liquidity, and we go right above, break structure, but we already know what we want. We want to go way higher into this area over here. Okay, through that, then we can start seeing exactly what's going on. But it's here, it's created a perfect distribution. Okay, we've literally got the whole phase right here, PSY, buying climax, automatic rally, or up thrust after distribution. Literally everything's there. It's looking too perfect. So we're looking to potentially sell off now, but I won't be surprised if we keep pushing higher. Because I remember we went to that initial entry, but we'll see. We'll see how the week develops. We'll see how this works out. Okay, because we already know the DXY is looking like it wants to be bullish for the rest of the month. So we'll see exactly how that plays out. But this is a very beautiful distribution going on right here. Very, very beautiful. So we'll see exactly how that plays out when the market opens. I won't be surprised if it does push up and then go from there. But I would absolutely love it if this plays out, because that will literally complete a beautiful distribution. Okay, so in regards to that DXY, like I was talking about, okay, in regards to that, we can already see again, this is doing a beautiful accumulation. It's just the opposite. We already know what the DXY means when it's going up and what that means for pairs ending USD. Okay, so again, just on the flip side, we've got perfect accumulation going on here. Okay, again, just like Euro USD, I won't be surprised if this did come slightly lower into the original test that we was looking for. I won't be surprised at all. But for now, I'm focusing on this area over here, just due to market structure, influx of liquidity input. I'm just looking at this area through here firstly, and then we'll see if we can rise right through there. But again, beautiful accumulation going on here. So we didn't get that test initially. So I'm just curious to see if we might drop slightly lower firstly and then go, or if we're just literally here. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the market open for this week. Okay, there's various other pairs that I was looking at and we traded this week as well, including gold. I mean, gold is really nice from the start of the week. Okay, I didn't manage to get a print screen. Actually, did I get a print screen of this? Actually, yeah, I did. I'm sure I did. Gold H1. Was it this one? Yeah. Okay, so this was the start of the week, literally on the 5th of October. Here's our points of interest, looking to fill some IPAs and all that kind of stuff. So, I mean, it didn't do exactly how I wanted it to, but I mean, we still managed to catch just over about 300 pips, I think it was. It's not bad. And then it's still, okay, so hits there, goes up to like 400 pips, and then it slams down. Okay, so we had to start again. So we found new entries throughout this zone on the 15-minute. And then, yeah, as you can see, it starts going into the original target. Okay, and it's going way higher. So we're seeing how that develops. Okay, so that was a very nice trade as well. Okay, was looking to take it right up into here and then potentially drop into the next IPA. So that was a very nice trade as well this week. Very nice trade. Okay, I was happy with that 400 pips from there before it dropped. Took out the stop profits of one of my other trades that I was holding. Okay, because usually I twin trades 2 to 3 times. So the other 2 hit TP, closed partials, and our last one, and then it finally came to take it out, and then we had to start again to start taking it right the way up. So gold has been sweet. So looking forward to a lot of things going on for this week upcoming, just due to the way the DXY is looking. It could be a very interesting week / month / next 2 months, depending on how this plays, but it'll be very interesting. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited. Last week was a very good week. So yeah, that's all I've got for you this week. Hope you have a great week. Hope you have a productive week, profitable week. Hope your family's good, your mental health is good, all of that good stuff. So until next time, take care, guys.